Hello everyone, hello, how are you? Are you people here? Today I am going to talk about magnets and we are going to have lots and lots of fun with magnets. So let me see if you people are there and if I can see you. Hi, can you people hear me? Just let me know. Great. So the video is up and I can see you guys. Great. So should we start now? Let me see who all are online. Yes, Rishu Jaiswal is saying good morning to you as well. Hi Harshil, Manas Sharma, hello, good morning. Neerja, hi, I remember your name now, Rambaji. Manas Mishra is also asking, saying hi. So hello everyone, Rishu, Anurag. So a lot of people are there. Renu Yadav is also saying good morning. So good morning to one and all. Good morning to each one of you. So today we are going to have some fun with magnets and in the end we are going to have Menti quiz as well. So should I start now? If you all are here, so we are going to start this now. You people are asking me how am I? I am doing great. I hope you people are doing well as well. So let us start now. So today's chapter is going to be very fun because the name of the chapter is Fun with Magnets. So I don't know how to better put it. So let us just start by introducing myself. My name is Mohammad Al Khalid. I am a graduate from IIT Guwahati and I am going to teach you physics. So if you want to attend my classes and want to do cool experiments along with me, just go and subscribe to this channel. Every day I will be taking you a different chapter from physics and we will be doing a lot of experiments and we will be learning physics for class 6. Okay, so if you have any friends or if you have any cousins or if you have any classmates, ask them to come and join this class where they can learn physics. As you know, Unacademy is the largest e-learning platform in India and I am proud to be part of this platform and so should you be. So let us start. So today, in this chapter, we are going to cover about the discovery of magnets, how were magnets discovered. Then we are going to have a look at magnetic and non-magnetic substances. Then we'll see what are the poles of magnet and how do we find directions using them. How can we make our own magnets? Yes, we are going to make our own magnets. And after that, we will have a final look at attraction and repulsion amongst magnets. So, let me tell you a story. There was this man, okay, he was a Greek guy. This happened, okay, this is a legend. We don't know if this is true or not, but this is what is said generally. So, this story is from around 2000 BC. So, do you know what is 2000 BC? Like how many years ago would that be? 2000 BC. अभी हम कौन से ईयर में है? Which year is this? This is 2020. So 2020. So how do we find out when was 2000 BC? So first of all we write 2000 BC. यहाँ पे 2000 BC आ गया and then we add this current year 2020. We will add them. तो ये कितना हो गया? So this took place around 4000 years ago. So we don't know the exact date or exact year, but this is a story. We call it a legend. So this story is from around 4000 years ago. It's a long time back. Like very old. We can't even imagine how long ago this was. So Manas Mishra is saying he knows the story. That's very nice. So there was this guy. Do you see this guy? This guy right over here. This guy, his name was Magnus. So ये जो बंदा है Magnus, he was a shepherd. What did he used to do? ये बकरियां पालता था. And he used to take these sheep for grazing. ये अपने बकरियों को जो भी है इनके पास बकरे थे भेड़ जो भी था इसको लेके घास चराने के लिए जाता था। 4000 साल पहले की स्टोरी सुना रहा हूं मैं। ये घास चराने के लिए जाता था पहाड़ों पे, पैस्चर्स पे, जहां जहां भी घास होगी रोज लेता था। वो सारे बकरे मैं करके उसके पीछे पीछे चलते थे। और कभी कभी क्या होता था, कुछ बकरे है ना ऐसे इधर से उधर भाग जाते थे। ये देखो पीछे ये वाला बकरा है, इज लुकिंग देयर, ही वांट्स टू रन इन दैट डायरेक्शन। अगर वो भाग गया तो यू नो व्हाट वुड मैग्नस डू? मैग्नस के हाथ में ये डंडा है, यू आर सीइंग दिस स्टिक राइट? ये जो स्टिक है मैग्नस के पास, ये मैग्नस ये डंडे से अपने शीप को कंट्रोल करता था, अपनी जो भेड़ है उनको चराता था कि अगर कोई उधर जा रहा है तो ये इट विल जस्ट शू 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 करके ऐसे ही था अपने पास बुला लेता था। ठीक है, तो मैग्नस अपने पास जब भी भेड़ को चराने ले जा रहा है, व्हेनेवर ही इज टेकिंग द शीप फॉर यू नो ग्रेजिंग, ग्रास उनको खिलाने ले जा रहा है, तो he would take a stick along with him. Now one day what happened, वो ऐसे ही जा रहा था, उसके हाथ में जो स्टिक था ना, it suddenly started pulling away. ऐसे ही जनरल वो चल के जा रहा है, started pulling away, वो कहीं और जा रहा है, स्टार्ट हो गया। Not just that, उसने जो सैंडल्स पहने हुए थे ना, देखो वो जमाने में हमारे तरह वेलक्रो जिप्स वगैरह तो होते नहीं थे, so his you know sandals or slippers whatever he was wearing, they had iron nails in them. उसमें क्या था, आयरन नेल से बना हुआ था वो, लाइक लेदर का था, उसमें आयरन नेल्स लगे हुए थे टू कीप देम टुगेदर। सो व्हाट हैपेंड वाज, उसका जो शूज है दे आल्सो स्टार्टेड गोइंग समवेयर। ये परेशान हो गया, भाई बाप रे कहां जा रहे हैं, मैं तो नॉर्मल चल के जा रहा हूं, इमेजिन आपके हाथ में पेन है एंड सडनली द पेन इज बीइंग पुल्ड अवे आउट ऑफ नोवेयर, कोई हाथ नहीं लगा रहा है, बस खुद से ऐसे निकल के जा रहा है, आप परेशान हो जाओगे ना। तो मैग्नस भी ऐसे ही परेशान हो गया। उस दिन वो घास चराने जो एरिया में ले गया था, वो एरिया का नाम पता है आपको क्या था? ठीक है, तो वो एरिया का नाम था मैग्नीसिया, और ये कहानी कहां की है? ग्रीस में हुआ है। तो दिस गाय वाज ग्रीक, मैग्नस वाज अ ग्रीक गाय। ग्रीक लोग कहां से होते हैं? ग्रीस के। सो देयर इज अ प्लेस इन ग्रीस जिसका वो एरिया का नाम है मैग्नीसिया। ठीक है, वो एरिया का नाम है मैग्नीसिया। तो आज मैग्नस गया था मैग्नीसिया में घास चराने के लिए, और वहां पे अचानक से उसका जो स्टिक था, स्टिक इज गोइंग समवेयर, उसका जो चप्पल है, चप्पल में से नेल्स निकल के दे आर गोइंग समवेयर, एंड दिस गाय इज वरीड, वो डर गया कि भाई क्या हो रहा है। तो उसने देखा कि जा कहां रहा है, तो व्हाट हैपेंड वाज, उसका जो स्टिक था ना, वो स्टिक जाके एक बड़े से रॉक पे जाके चिपक गया। उसका जो स्टिक था, इट वेंट एंड गॉट स्टक टू अ लार्ज रॉक। बहुत डार्क कलर का, देखो यहाँ पे आपको रॉक नजर आ रहा है, वो रॉक पे जाके चिपक गया। ये बंदा परेशान हो गया कि भाई ऐसे कैसे मेरा डंडा जाके है ना रॉक पे चिपक जाएगा, लाइक ऐसा हो सकता है क्या? नॉर्मल डंडा लेके जाके रॉक पे चिपक गया। ये बहुत परेशान हुआ, इसने जाके दूसरे लोगों को बुलाया कि भाई 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 देखो क्या हो गया, सब लोग देखो मेरा डंडा जाके ऐसा रॉक से चिपक गया, पत्थर पे जाके लग गया, ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? सब लोग, सारे ये सारे ग्रीक लोग थे, एशियन ग्रीक, दिस इज 4000 इयर्स अगो। सब लोग परेशान हो गए, भाई कैसे, कहां, कैसे कैसे चिपक गया है मेरा स्टिक जाके। वो लोगों ने देखा कि यार ये ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है। देन दे नोटिस्ड कि वो जो रॉक है उस पे आप कोई भी आयरन का चीज लगाओगे तो इट विल गो एंड स्टिक टू द रॉक। समझे आप लोग? तो व्हाट हैपेंड वाज, इसका जो स्टिक था ना, तो दिस स्टिक हैड अ आयरन पीस, इसको आयरन लगा हुआ था स्टिक पे, नीचे था कि लाइक उसके बॉटम पे या हैंडल पे कहीं पे आयरन लगा हुआ था। तो वो जाके चिपका, तो फिर उन्होंने फिगर आउट किया कि हमारे पास जो भी आयरन का चीज है दैट कैन बी स्टक टू दिस स्टोन, ऑटोमेटिकली ये स्टोन उसको खींच के अपने पास ला लेता है। तो ऐसे उन्होंने देखा कि ओ दिस इज अ स्पेशल काइंड ऑफ स्टोन, इसको तो कुछ नाम देना चाहिए भाई, नाम देना चाहिए ना। तो उन्होंने वो स्टोन को क्या नाम दिया? दे कॉल्ड इट मैग्नेटाइट। क्यों मैग्नेटाइट बोला? क्योंकि उसे मैग्नस ने डिस्कवर किया था। क्यों मैग्नेटाइट बोला? क्योंकि वो मैग्नीसिया में डिस्कवर हुआ था। ठीक है, तो अगेन दिस इज अ स्टोरी, सो वी डोंट नो कि क्यों एग्जैक्टली नाम दिया था। मे बी दे नेम्ड इट बिकॉज इट वाज डिस्कवर्ड इन मैग्नीसिया, और मे बी दे नेम्ड इट बिकॉज इट वाज डिस्कवर्ड बाय मैग्नस। क्योंकि एक कहानी है तो नाम एग्जैक्टली क्यों दिया हमको नहीं पता, बट इतना पता है कि दे कॉल्ड इट मैग्नेटाइट। तो अभी आप बोलोगे कि भाई ये मैग्नेटाइट पत्थर है, ऐसा कैसा पत्थर है जो आयरन को अट्रैक्ट करता है? लाइक मैग्नेट्स अट्रैक्ट करते हैं वी नो, बट स्टोन, यार स्टोन कैसे अट्रैक्ट कर सकता है, राइट? महप्रीत कौर, यस देयर इज मेंटी टुडे, आज मेंटी होने वाला है। सो व्हाट हैपेंड वाज, मैग्नेटाइट इज एक्चुअली एन ओर ऑफ आयरन। आयरन ओर पता है आपको? देखो आयरन जो है, आयरन इज अ मेटल। आयरन कहां से आता है? आयरन कम्स फ्रॉम अर्थ। हम अर्थ में बड़े बड़े पत्थर होते हैं जिसमें आयरन होता है, तो जो पत्थर जिसमें से आयरन निकलता है उसको आयरन ओर बोलते हैं। तो कोई भी मेटल होगा, अगर उसको जब पत्थर में से हम निकालते हैं तो वी कॉल इट एन ओर। फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आपको गोल्ड निकालना है पत्थर में से, तो उसका एक स्पेशल पत्थर होगा जिसमें गोल्ड होगा कहीं कहीं। लाइक देयर आर सम प्लेसेस इन अफ्रीका, देयर आर सम प्लेसेस इन इंडिया एज वेल, वेयर दे आर यू हैव टू डिग इन डीप टनल्स इन द अर्थ, और वहां पे आपको सोना मिलेगा पत्थर में। वी कॉल इट गोल्ड का ओर। वैसे कॉपर ओर होता है, जिंक ओर होता है, देयर डिफरेंट मेटल्स का डिफरेंट ओर्स आर देयर। सो मैग्नेटाइट इज एन ओर ऑफ आयरन एंड इट इज an magnetic substance. It is a magnetic substance, okay? So remember, magnetite is an ore of iron, and this was the stone which was discovered by Magnus. Cool? So Magnus discovered magnetite in Magnesia. I'll cut the from, I don't know why I wrote from. तो ये स्टोरी आपको क्लियर है, हाउ मैग्नेट्स वर डिस्कवर्ड? ठीक है ना? वेरी लाइक नाइस लिटिल स्टोरी, राइट? बेचारा बंदा कहीं जा रहा है, उसका स्टिक जाके दीवार पे चिपक गया, लाइक पत्थर पे चिपक गया, एंड दे नेम्ड हिम आफ्टर दैट गाय। सो दैट इज हाउ मैग्नेट्स वर डिस्कवर्ड। सो मैग्नेटाइट इज अ नेचुरली अकरिंग मैग्नेट। ये एक नेचर में मैग्नेट होता है, इट्स जस्ट अ स्टोन विच इज देयर विच एक्ट्स लाइक अ मैग्नेट। देखो अगर आप मैग्नेटाइट का एक रॉक लोगे ना, उसके पास अगर आप कुछ भी मेटल पीसेस लाओगे, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू ब्रिंग अ नेल नियर इट, it will go and stick to it. ठीक है? Anurag Singh is having a doubt. Please ask the doubt. I can clear it for you. So, what is the doubt? किसी और को भी डाउट है तो पूछो. We'll go forward from here then. So now मैंने आपको बोला कि मैग्नेटाइट इज अ नेचुरल मैग्नेट. सिमिलरली विथ टाइम ह्यूमंस डिस्कवर्ड कि है ना वो नेचुरल मैग्नेट है, then we can make artificial magnets also. So what they did was by using iron. See what did I tell you? Magnetite contains iron. इसके अंदर iron है ना, so there is some property of iron which is magnetic. So what these people did, they found out a way to make magnets from iron. So these are called artificial magnets. So magnetite is a natural magnet, and all the other magnets which we see, right, like a bar magnet, ये सारे जितने भी magnets यहाँ पे images में हैं, these are all artificial magnets. So we can make them in different shapes. We can make them in different like some magnets are strong, some are weak. So these are permanent magnets which we make artificial. इनको artificial magnets बोलते हैं. So this magnet is called a bar magnet. See, ये क्योंकि एक बार के शेप में है. This magnet is called a cylindrical magnet क्योंकि ये सिलेंडर के शेप में है. And these magnets are called ball-ended magnets क्योंकि इनके एंड में दो balls लगे हुए हैं, right? So these are called as ball-ended magnets. और ये जो मैग्नेट है जो U शेप में है, it is called a horseshoe magnet. Horseshoe. तो ये हमारा हो गया horseshoe magnet. So like this, we have different kinds of magnets which we make artificially, and we can make them in a number of shapes. Like bar magnet की तरह बना सकते हैं. Cylindrical shape में बनाएंगे तो cylindrical magnet बनेगा. U शेप में बनाएंगे तो वो horseshoe magnet बन जाएगा. अगर आप उसको ऐसे दो balls लगे हुए बीच में स्टिक की तरह है तो it's called a ball-ended magnet. Ball-ended magnet. Harshil Sharma is asking how were these rocks formed? See, these are naturally occurring rocks. ये rocks earth में पहले से है. ये कैसा बना है, क्या है? It is already there. जैसा आप कभी भी एक पहाड़ देखते हो, पहाड़ कैसे बना है? It is part of the earth. वो earth का part है. तो it is similarly these rocks are also magnetite is also part of earth. ये हमारे earth में से निकलता है. Okay? Anurag is asking, sir, Magnus कहाँ रहता था? Magnus used to live in Greece. Okay, he was a Greek person. He used to live. देखो, ये जो Magnus है ना, this guy was Greek. So he used to live in Greece. ठीक है ना? वो ग्रीस में रहता था. तो people who live in Greece are called Greek. जैसा हम इंडिया में रहते हैं and we are called Indians, right? तो जो लोग ग्रीस में रहते हैं उनको हम ग्रीक बोलते हैं. तो मैग्नस वाज अ ग्रीक पर्सन. ही यूज्ड टू लिव इन ग्रीस. ठीक है अनुराग, इज इट क्लियर नाउ? ठीक है, ग्रेट. सो लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू अ स्मॉल एक्सपेरिमेंट. तो अब ये एक्सपेरिमेंट में हम क्या करेंगे? आई हैव अ मैग्नेट विथ मी. लेट मी स्विच ऑन माय कैमरा. Yeah. So you can see my camera, right? See, today I made sure that my camera is not blocking anything. So what I'll do is I'll just keep my camera over here so that it does not block anything. Is it perfectly visible to you all? You all can see the camera, right? So now I have with me a magnet. See, this is a bar magnet. You can see that it's a bar. I'll just so this is a bar magnet which I have. This was actually a spherical magnet, but now it broke, so it's kind of a horseshoe magnet right now. So I have a horseshoe magnet, I have a bar magnet, I even have cylindrical magnets. So I have some cylindrical magnets as well. See, these are cylindrical magnets. You can see these are all like little discs which I kept on top of each other. So how many magnets do we have? See, they are already started getting stuck to each other. So I have a horseshoe magnet, I have a cylindrical magnet, and I have a bar magnet. I hope these are clear. Okay. So here are the magnets, and what we are going to do now is we are going to try to stick different things to them and see कि ये चिपकता है या नहीं चिपकता है. Will they get stuck to the magnet or not? So should we try? First thing is a nail. So let's see if a nail gets attracted to a magnet, right? ये nail try करते हैं. The nail got stuck to the magnet. You can see कि ये nail अभी magnet को अच्छे तरीके से चिपक गया है. Which means, is the nail getting attracted or not? Let us answer it here. Cool. So the nail is actually getting attracted to the magnet. We'll just put a tick here. Yes, this is getting attracted. Now I have a pen. Mind you, this is a plastic pen. Do you think this will get attracted? It's not getting attracted. Let's see if we can lift it. So a plastic pen, I'll write plastic here. Plastic pen, they did not get attracted to the magnet. Now I'll bring my candle again. See, I like this candle actually. Will the candle get attracted to the magnets? Let me know in the comments what do you think beforehand. So you're saying no, the candle is not going to get attracted? Yes, the candle is not going to get attracted. So let me try this thing. I have a small little, metallic sword over here. You can see this. Can you see the sword? Let us see if this gets attracted. This is made out of brass. ये brass का बना हुआ है. So we'll just write, brass over here. Brass is an alloy actually. Brass भी एक metal है. Did brass get attracted to the magnet? No, brass did not get attracted to the magnet. So, no. Do you think a pencil will get attracted to the magnet? Let us see if a pencil is getting attracted to the magnet. Nope. No luck यार, pencil भी attract नहीं हो रहा है. No. Do you think a key will get attracted to the magnet? So let's see if a key can be attracted. Oh yeah. I can see that the key is being attracted to the magnet. So yes, the key is getting attracted to the magnet. How about a plastic scale? See, today I got a smaller plastic scale. Yesterday I used a huge one. So nope, no luck here. Not getting attracted at all. No. Will a coin get attracted? Let's see if a coin can be attracted. Yep. You can see that these coins are attracted. The coins are attracted to the magnet. So let me remove the coins now. So what do we understand from this? Oh, I have one huge nail as well. इतना बड़ा जो nail था. Yesterday I did an experiment with this. You can see how big this nail is. Do you think the magnets will be able to lift the nail? काफी बड़ा nail है ना? और magnets are so small. Do you think if we use this magnets, can we lift the nail? Should we try? Let me know. What do you think? Let me know. Let me know. What do you think will happen? What is happening? Yeah, so we were going to see if we can lift the nail up by using. Let us see. Yes, we can lift this nail by using these small magnets. The nail is large, it's quite big, but still we can lift the nail, which means that some of the magnets which I have here may be strong, because I know these bar magnets are very weak. I think the horseshoe magnet is very strong in the ones which I have. So I'll keep them back over here. And now let's see what do we infer from this. इससे हमने क्या सीखा? क्या सीखा हमने इससे? हमने इससे ये सीखा कि there are two types of materials. There are materials which are attracted to magnets, and then there are materials which are not attracted to magnets. ठीक है? क्या क्या हमने सीखा इससे? दो टाइप्स का मटेरियल्स है. There are materials जो मैग्नेट को अट्रैक्ट करते हैं, जो मैग्नेट जिनको अट्रैक्ट करता है, और एक मटेरियल का टाइप है जो मैग्नेट से उन पे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ता. मैग्नेट आके यार मैं बुला रहा हूं आ जाओ अट्रैक्ट, फिर भी वो आने वाला नहीं है. ठीक है? बट देयर आर सम मटेरियल्स जिनको मैग्नेट बुला भी सकता है. सो व्हाट डू वी कॉल देम? What happens is the magnets which get attracted towards a magnet are called magnetic materials. ठीक है ना? मैग्नेट जिनको अट्रैक्ट करता है उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल. और जिनको मैग्नेट अट्रैक्ट नहीं करता है, बहुत सिंपल है, वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू कॉल इट नॉन मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल. ठीक है? जिनको मैग्नेट अट्रैक्ट करता है वो मैग्नेटिक हो गया, जिनको मैग्नेट अट्रैक्ट नहीं करता वो मटेरियल नॉन मैग्नेटिक है. बहुत सिंपल, राइट? जस्ट रिमेंबर, मैग्नेट जिसको अट्रैक्ट करता है वो मैग्नेटिक है, जिसको मैग्नेट अट्रैक्ट नहीं करता वो नॉन मैग्नेटिक है. कूल? इज दिस क्रिस्टल क्लियर? और एग्जांपल्स भी दे देता हूं मैं. जो मटेरियल्स अट्रैक्ट करता है ना मैग्नेट, दे आर एक्चुअली 3 मोस्ट पॉपुलर materials which are attracted by magnets, that is iron, nickel and cobalt. Iron, nickel and cobalt. Okay, ये तीनों metals हैं जो मैग्नेट जिनको अट्रैक्ट करता है. Okay, now tell me, is this concept crystal clear to you all? अगर आपको क्लियर है तो that is fine, but I want it to be crystal clear. इतना क्लियर होना चाहिए जैसा कि है ना, it should look like a crystal. Crystal में आप देखोगे you can see through a crystal. It's very very clear. I want the concepts to be clear like that. Is it crystal clear? Okay, नीरजा के लिए crystal clear हो गया, ईशा को भी crystal clear हो गया, अमित को भी हो गया. नहीं, अमित को नहीं हुआ शायद. हुआ क्या? Nice, हो गया. Yes, सबको crystal clear हो गया. So now we will move on to the next thing, which is another experiment. Now you see कि अच्छा ठीक है, before this experiment I am going to tell you one thing. You see this iron, right? ये जो iron है ना, ये iron का एक पाउडर भी आता है. ठीक है? Very small fine pieces of iron are there. बारीक पीसे होते हैं. When you cut iron, right? जैसा आप जब wood कट करते हो, जब आप लकड़ी काटते हैं तो उसमें से भूरा निकलता है ना. There is sawdust which comes from wood जब आप कट करते हो, right? Similarly, when you cut iron, उसमें से बहुत बारीक पीसेस निकलते हैं. आयरन में से बारीक छोटे पीसेस ऑफ आयरन होते हैं, उसको हम बोलते हैं आयरन फिलिंग्स. ओके, क्या बोलते हैं उसको? आयरन फिलिंग्स. ये आपको सॉइल में भी मिलेंगे. इट्स देयर नेचुरली इन अर्थ का सॉइल पे भी यू विल फाइंड small bits of iron in some places, and when you cut iron pieces and all, जो उसका जो पाउडर की तरह निकलता है, that is called iron fillings. So now what happens is, just see what is happening here. There is a bar magnet in this experiment, और उसके ऊपर this guy is putting iron fillings. ये iron fillings डाल रहा है बार मैग्नेट के ऊपर. Tell me, what do you notice? Look at it, अच्छे से आराम से देखो उसको, and tell me what do you think is happening here. What do you think is happening here? You see that ये जो parts है ना, the end of this magnet, देखो ये जो bar magnet है, it looks like this, right? It is a bar like this, and what is happening here is, ये जो iron fillings है, they are getting attracted more in this corner and in this corner. इसका इस end पे सेंटर पे ज्यादा नहीं आ रहा है, corners पे ज्यादा मैग्नेटिक फीलिंग्स आ रहे हैं. इवन दो इज पुटिंग इट इक्वली ऑल अराउंड द मैग्नेट, यू सी के है ना, ये जो दो एंड्स है इन पे आयरन फीलिंग्स ज्यादा अट्रैक्ट हो रहे हैं. यस और नो? विल हैव अनदर लुक हियर. सी, ये जो आयरन फीलिंग्स है ना, दीज आर इन वाटर. ये पानी में डाल दिए आयरन फीलिंग्स को, तो इट्स जस्ट वाटर या फिर ऑयल जिसमें आयरन फीलिंग्स है. नाउ सी व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन यू पुट अ मैग्नेट इनसाइड. दिस इज सिलेंड्रिकल मैग्नेट. What are you observing here? Again you are seeing के यहाँ पे देखो this end और this end, इसका जो corner है ये वाला, यहाँ पे there are more iron fillings और center पे there are less iron fillings, right? Center पे iron fillings are less and there are more in the corners. देखो corners पे ज्यादा iron fillings आए और सेंटर पे आयरन फिलिंग्स वर वेरी लेस. यस और नो? सो व्हाट डू वी सी दिस, ये जो दो एंड्स है ना, तो बेसिकली मैग्नेट जो होता है, बार मैग्नेट, वो अपने दो एंड्स पे ज्यादा अट्रैक्ट करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ दिस इज अ मैग्नेट, then it will attract more on this side and this side. Okay, so magnetic materials get attracted towards the end of the magnets. देखो, this end and this end, ये दो एंड्स पे आपको ज्यादा अट्रैक्शन मिलेगा मैग्नेट के अंदर, वहां पे ज्यादा फोर्स होगा उसका. So what are these ends called? What do we call them? These are called poles. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? पोल बोलते हैं. जो जैसा मैंने आपको बोला था बैटरी में, when we have a battery, where is the battery? यहाँ पे एक बैटरी है, I have a battery, right? बैटरी में मैंने क्या बोला था? The ends of a battery are called terminal. जो बैटरी का साइड होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? टर्मिनल, जो पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव होते हैं. सिमिलरली इन मैग्नेट्स, जो मैग्नेट्स का जो साइड्स होता है उसको वी कॉल पोल्स. POLES. These are called poles. ये एक पोल है और ये एक पोल है. ठीक है? Is that understood? So even in a horseshoe magnet, जो अट्रैक्शन ज्यादा होता है ना, that happens at the poles. You can see कि यहाँ पे इतने सारे आयरन फिलिंग्स पोल्स को चिपके हुए हैं. ठीक है? तो अगर आप लोग को ये कॉन्सेप्ट समझ आया तो we will move forward now. Just let me know crystal clear हुआ कि नहीं हुआ. And this, by the way, I am going to ask in the Menti as well today. Rishu Jaiswal, it's not terminal, like it's terminal cell में होता है, correct? And magnets में it is called poles. ठीक है? ठीक है, तो ये clear हो गया. So now we are going to do another experiment. This time what I am going to do is, see, if I take this magnet now and I'll try to hang it. ठीक है, I have a thread over here and I'll try to use that thread to hang a magnet. What I'm doing is, see, I have a thread, I have a magnet. I am trying to tie it up. Someone is asking, can gold be attracted? No, gold is not attracted to magnets naturally. But sometimes what happens is, जैसा आपके घर में ज्वेलरी अगर आपके मॉम के पास होगी गोल्ड की, तो it will have some little bit of other metals in it. जैसा 911 गोल्ड है, तो उसमें there will be a little bit of other metals which might be attracted. तो gold naturally 100% pure gold जो होता है, that is not attracted to magnets. So here I have this thread, okay? ये मेरे पास एक thread है. Now I'm going to just rotate it ऐसे and we will let it come to rest. I'm going to remove these magnets. Do you see the direction in which it came in rest? Is like this, right? वो direction ऐसा है. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep a pencil under it in the same direction. वो ऐसा direction था. Now again I am going to rotate the magnets like this. तो ऐसे भी rotate करते हैं. And let us see at what direction does it come back and rest. Okay, you people cannot see the camera. I'll switch on the camera. Can you see the camera now? So guys, what I'm doing here is, I have this magnet, जिसको मैंने एक thread से बांधा हुआ है. ठीक है? I have a magnet which is tied to this thread. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rotate it ऐसे, and let us see at what direction does it come back and rest at. So it came at rest in this direction, and I'm going to keep a pencil in the same direction. Okay? And I'm going to rotate it once more I'm going to rotate it once more and let it come to rest. What do you see now? The magnet came back in the same, absolutely same direction as before. ठीक है, जो डायरेक्शन में पहले हमने मैग्नेट को रखा था, जब रेस्ट पे आया था, इट केम बैक इन द एब्सोल्युटली सेम डायरेक्शन. जैसे मैंने मैग्नेट को ऐसा हैंग किया था. हाउ डिड आई हैंग द मैग्नेट? I had a magnet like this, bar magnet था. I used a thread to hang it. उसके बाद में क्या हुआ? I rotated the magnet. मैंने इसको ऐसे रोटेट किया, but it came back in the exact same direction as before. इस डायरेक्शन में वो आ गया. I tried this experiment 2-3 times and every single time the magnet was suspended in the same direction. इससे आपको क्या पता है होता है? Whenever you hang a bar magnet, जब भी आप बार मैग्नेट को हैंग करोगे, वो it will always point towards the same direction. ठीक है ना? वो हमेशा एक ही डायरेक्शन में पॉइंट करेगा. And why does that happen? That happens because the earth itself is a giant magnet. Okay, हम जो धरती पे रहते हैं, पृथ्वी पे रहते हैं, जो जमीन पे रहते हैं, that itself acts like a huge magnet. So this magnet, जो हम बार मैग्नेट जब हैंग करते हैं, it will always try to point its direction towards the north of the earth. तो वो नॉर्थ साउथ डायरेक्शन में ऐसा मैग्नेट आएगा and it will point towards the north of the earth. देखो, this is the north pole of the earth. ठीक है, ये अर्थ का नॉर्थ पोल है, विच इज आर्कटिक का सेंटर में कहीं आता है, और ये अर्थ का साउथ पोल है, विच कम्स समवेयर इन अंटार्कटिका. ठीक है, तो अर्थ, इवन अर्थ हैज पोल्स, नॉर्थ पोल एंड साउथ पोल. सो यू टेक एनी मैग्नेट, इट विल हैव पोल्स. यू नो व्हाट, इफ आई हैव अ बार मैग्नेट, ये मेरा बार मैग्नेट है, एंड दिस इज नॉर्थ. ठीक है, ये नॉर्थ बन गया और ये साउथ है. What do you think will happen if the magnet breaks? अगर magnet break हो गया तो क्या होगा? I will to have two magnets. So that magnet will look something like this, right? And what will be the poles now? Even this broken magnet will have poles. So this side will be north, this side will be south, this side will be north, this side will be south. ठीक है, अगर मैग्नेट टूट भी गया तब भी उसमें पोल्स रहेंगे. बेसिकली मैग्नेट्स में हमेशा दो पोल्स होते हैं, नॉर्थ पोल एंड साउथ पोल. बिकॉज द अर्थ में भी हम नॉर्थ पोल और साउथ पोल बोलते हैं. सिमिलरली द पोल्स ऑफ द मैग्नेट्स आर कॉल्ड नॉर्थ पोल एंड साउथ पोल. इज दैट क्लियर? ठीक है, ये समझ आया आप लोगों को? ठीक है, ये सब आपको समझ आ गया. सो अर्थ इज अ मैग्नेट, सो द मैग्नेट्स आल्सो पॉइंट इन अ सर्टेन डायरेक्शन, एंड फॉर दैट वी हैव अ कंपास. ये देखो, ये जो कंपास है ना, डू यू नो व्हाट अ कंपास इज? कंपास इज अ डिवाइस व्हिच शोज अस डायरेक्शन. तो यहां पे यू कैन सी के द कंपास हैज नॉर्थ पॉइंटेड टुवर्ड्स इट एंड साउथ पॉइंटेड टुवर्ड्स इट. नॉर्थ और साउथ ये कंपास में लिखा हुआ है और वो नीडल पॉइंट करती है. सो वी कैन फाइंड डायरेक्शंस. एंड ये जो नीडल है, this needle is actually a magnet. ये needle magnetic होती है. ठीक है, and that is how a compass works. Compass के अंदर there is a needle which is magnetic and that needle points towards the north. Is that understood? Even I have a compass over here with me. I can show it to you. Rajiv is asking, is there a Menti quiz? Yes, there is a Menti quiz today. आज Menti quiz होने वाला है. So see, I have a compass. Can you see the direction of the compass? It is pointing in the same direction as the pencil. जहां पे पहले हमने मैग्नेट रखा था, जो मैग्नेट जो डायरेक्शन में पॉइंट कर रहा था, this compass is also pointing in the same direction. So what do we understand? All magnets when suspended या उनको हम freely उनको move होने देते हैं, they always point in the direction which is the direction of the north pole of our earth. North south में ये point करता है. Okay? So now we are going to do an experiment. And do you know what experiment are we going to do this time? We are going to make our own magnet. Yep, आज हम magnet बनाने वाले हैं. क्या करने वाले हैं? We are going to make a magnet. I'll make the camera bigger so that you can see how am I going to make a magnet today. So for making a magnet, what we need is we need any magnetic substance जो आयरन का या निकल का या कोबाल्ट का बना होगा. So here I have with me a needle. Can you see the needle? Is the needle visible to you all? Needle दिखाई दे रहा है ना सबको? ये needle है. And how do I know कि a needle is attracted towards magnets? You can see that the magnet is attracting it. You know, you can actually do a cool experiment. What I am going to do, I'll just, before we start making a magnet, I am going to show you something cool. This is a needle और उसको thread बांधा हुआ है ऐसे. I am going to bring a magnet near it. Now you can see that the magnet is not touching it, but still the needle is standing straight, right? Can you see? वो कुछ देर के लिए ऐसे खड़ा होता है, फिर उसके बाद ना वापस चला जाता है. It's not touching it, but I can control it using the magnet. How does this happen? This happens because magnet is attracting the needle. ठीक है? And it's a non-contact force. Contact में के बिना भी magnet काम करता है. So now I'll teach you how to make a magnet. And what we are going to do is, we just need a magnet. हमने एक magnet ले लिया. ठीक है? I'll just make it a bit cross so it's easier for me to do. I'll keep the magnet over here. Actually, I'll take a bar magnet for this. Where is the bar magnet? I moved all the magnets, right? Yeah, so here is my bar magnet. Okay. So I have my bar magnet over here. And I have my needle. So what I'm going to do now is, I'll just take this needle and I'll rub it in one direction on top of the magnet. I'm not going like this, ऐसे ऐसे नहीं करना है. Just from one side to other side, lift it up, फिर यहाँ से ऐसे. We are going to do this 30 times. You people count how many times am I going to do this. ऐसा rub करने से it's going to become a magnet, okay? Okay, so I did it a lot of times now. So that means that now this needle has become magnetic. Okay, ये needle अभी magnetic बन गया है. And what we are going to do now is, we are going to do something very cool. And what are we going to do? What we are going to do is, I have a bowl. Can you see the bowl? Yeah, मेरे पास एक bowl है. Here, I'll get a smaller bowl. I have a transparent bowl as well, which is my bulb holder in reality. So I have this small bowl and I'm going to fill it with water. ठीक है, मैं इसके अंदर कुछ पानी डालने वाला हूँ. So I have this bowl of water, इसमें पानी है, and what am I going to do now? I am going to take a piece of foam. I am just going to cut a piece out of foam. See, I am cutting a piece of foam. फोम नहीं होगा तो आपके पास थर्मोकोल होगा शीट, that also works very fine. Thermocol works fine. Anything which floats, if you have anything which floats works fine for this. ठीक है? It just needs to float. You can even take a cork, you can take a small piece of cardboard, you can take a piece of wood. Now you see that this thing floats on water, right? ये पानी पे अभी float कर रहा है. ठीक है? This is floating. What I am going to do this is, हमारा जो needle magnetize हुआ था ना, see this has been magnetized ना, इसको मैं I am going to remove the thread from this. ये needle से thread मैं निकाल रहा हूँ. And I'm just going to put this here. ये मैं इसके ऊपर ऐसा I am going to stick this here. Can you see मैंने इसको इसमें अटका दिया है थोड़ा सा ऐसे करके. ठीक है? Now let us see what happens when we put this here. We'll try to rotate it a little bit. Should I put some more water on this or what? I think I should cut the foam sheet a little bit more. Cutting the foam sheet a little bit more. Just give me a moment, guys. Okay, I made it smaller because earlier, it was hitting the walls of the bowl. So अभी मैंने foam को और छोटा कर दिया. And we are just going to put it here. Let us see if it rotates in any particular direction. तो मैं आपको ये ऊपर से दिखाता हूँ. Okay, now we are just going to, we'll get the bigger bowl. ये bowl में बहुत problem हो रहा है. We'll get the बड़ा वाला bowl and we'll transfer it over here. The small one is too small. Menti abhi hoga. Menti, I'm going to start Menti now. This is the last thing. So now you can see that this is automatically rotating a little bit, right? मैं बस अगर इसको सेंटर में रखता हूँ, is it focused? Is it focused? Tell me it is focused. And yeah, it is always pointing in this direction now. Even if we turn it like this, what is happening? It comes back in this direction. It is pointing towards the north-south direction. ठीक है? See, even if I turn it, it comes back and goes in this direction. ठीक है? अगर मैं इसको ऐसे रखता हूँ ना, तब भी it just rotates and comes back. Wait, अभी wall touch किया है. If I just keep it like this, still comes in this direction. Understood? ठीक है? So what does this show is that this needle is magnetic and it is showing us the direction of north. And what does that mean? It means that now this needle is a compass. Let me just bring a compass near it and you can see that they are almost in the same direction. Let the compass come to rest a little bit. I'll show. Can you see? The compass and the needle are absolutely in the same direction. ये दोनों same direction में. Even if I rotate this, मैं इसको अगर थोड़ा सा घुमा भी देता हूँ ऐसे, It will come back in this direction. Cool. What do we know? We have, congratulations, we just made a compass in our home. हमने खुद से एक compass बनाया है अभी. We just made a compass on our own. You just need a needle. We made a magnet, then we made a compass from that magnet. Cool. So how was this experiment? Did you like this? अच्छा लगा क्या? जल्दी बताओ मुझे. Yuvraj is saying, sir, I have also done this experiment. It works really nice. Malika is asking, sir, for how many days the needle will remain magnetic? I don't know यार कितने दिन तक रहेगा. It actually depends on the material. हमने उसको मैग्नेटाइज कैसा किया है. अगर आप उसको ऐसे ही रख दोगे तो it will slowly, उसका मैग्नेटिज्म खत्म हो जाएगा. In the end, I will tell you कि how to not let the magnet lose its magnetism. तो अभी हमारा हो गया. We are almost towards the end of the chapter now. तो we now know कि मैग्नेट्स को दो पोल्स होते हैं, नॉर्थ पोल एंड साउथ पोल. एंड दीज पोल्स, इनका जो ऑपोजिट पोल्स है, दे अट्रैक्ट. ठीक है, नॉर्थ को साउथ अट्रैक्ट करता है. एंड जो लाइक पोल्स होते हैं, नॉर्थ टू नॉर्थ अगर आप रखोगे तो दे विल रिपेल ईच अदर. साउथ और साउथ अगर आप साइड बाय साइड रखोगे तो दे विल ऑल्सो रिपेल ईच अदर. मैं इसका एक एग्जाम्पल देता हूं आपको. अगेन आई विल स्विच ऑन द कैमरा. ये आप लोग को पता है क्या है ना, लाइक पोल, अपोजिट पोल्स अट्रैक्ट एंड लाइक पोल्स रिपेल. ठीक है, अपोजिट पोल्स अट्रैक्ट एंड लाइक पोल्स रिपेल. तो देखो, आई केप्ट टू मैग्नेट्स हियर. दे आर अट्रैक्टिंग. एंड व्हाट डज दैट मीन? इफ दे आर अट्रैक्टिंग, इट मीन्स दैट देयर आर अपोजिट पोल्स. मीन्स ये अपोजिट है. नाउ लेट मी जस्ट put them उल्टा डायरेक्शन में. you will see के it's repelling. मैं ऐसे इसको ढकेल सकता हूँ. I can just push it like this. तो ये अभी रिपेल कर रहा है. तो जब ये एक दूसरे को अट्रैक्ट करते, खींचते हैं, तो we call it attraction. जब एक दूसरे को दूर ढकेल देते हैं, so it's called repulsion. okay? तो ये तो बहुत सिंपल है. I don't even need to explain this क्योंकि आप सब ने मैग्नेट्स के साथ खेला हुआ है ऑलरेडी, है ना? Malika is saying his name is Debamia. Debamia है मलिका का असल नाम. तो ठीक है, that is fine. हाय. तो हमने अभी देखा कि opposite poles कैसे करते हैं. So now we have to look at certain cautions. ये जो है, if we beat a hammer लेके अगर if we beat a magnet, उसका मैग्नेटिज्म खत्म हो जाएगा. अभी मुझसे कोई पूछ रहा था ना कि फॉर हाउ मेनी डेज विल इट लास्ट. अगर आप उसको गिराओगे नहीं, हैमर से नहीं मारोगे, तो इट माइट स्टे फॉर लॉन्गर टाइम. अगर इफ यू ड्रॉप अ मैग्नेट फ्रॉम अ हाइट, अगर ये मैग्नेट है मेरे पास, जगह ऊपर है, इफ आई जस्ट ड्रॉप इट, वो नीचे जाके जोर से टकराया, इट्स सिमिलर टू हिटिंग इट विद अ हैमर, राइट? सो अगेन इट विल बिकम वीक. वो वीक होता चला जाएगा. और अगर आप उसको हीट करोगे, अगर आप उसको फ्लेम के ऊपर या कैंडल के ऊपर रखोगे, तो again it will lose its magnetism. But do not try that at home because it can be harmful. अगर आप मैग्नेट को ज्यादा गर्म करोगे और हैमर से मारोगे तो it might break into small pieces which might hurt you. So do not try that. But just know कि अगर आपसे मैग्नेट गिर गया या कुछ जोर से उसको मार लग गया मैग्नेट को, या गर्म हो गया मैग्नेट, so it might become weak or it might completely lose its magnetism. ठीक है? And storage, this is storage के बारे में, there are a couple of things. उसके बाद में we are going to do the Menti quiz. ठीक है ना? तो storage आपको कैसा करना है? बार मैग्नेट आप जब भी रखोगे ना, for example if this is north and this part is south, for example ये south है, तो आपको दो बार मैग्नेट्स को ऑपोजिट रखना है. ठीक है? ये एक साइड का नॉर्थ इधर आ गया तो दूसरा मैग्नेट विल बी लाइक दिस. देखो, एंड बीच में व्हाट यू विल डू is you are going to keep a wooden piece. यहाँ पे बीच में एक wood का piece रख दोगे so that ये दोनों don't stick sideways. And very important thing is you are going to take two pieces of iron and put it on the side to connect their poles. देखो ये iron pieces है. This is iron. ये iron है. So you are going to take pieces of iron and put them like this. So do you understand how do we store like magnets now? If you have two bar magnets, you put them in opposite direction of each other. एक का साउथ नॉर्थ लगेगा, एक को नॉर्थ की जगह साउथ लगेगा, and you are going to keep a piece of wood in between, or sides mein you are going to stick their poles together with iron pieces. Understood? And if you have a horseshoe magnet, what you are going to do is you are simply going to take one piece of iron and put it on its poles. यहाँ पे हमने एक iron piece रख दिया जो उसके poles को touch कर रहा है. That's all. That's how you store magnets. ठीक है, ये अगर समझ आ गया तो we have completed the chapter and we can move on to the Menti quiz. So tell me if the chapter is crystal clear, because I will start the Menti quiz and I am going to ask you all these questions in the Menti quiz as well. So is the chapter clear, guys? Chapter clear हुआ क्या? Tell me if the chapter is clear. Tell me what level can I? Is it not that clear? Clear है or is it crystal clear? I want to know. अभी मुझे बताओ जल्दी से. और अभी Menti quiz है, so you know, come on, get your friends as well. कोई और friends है तो ask them to come and join, and I am going to take the Menti quiz जल्दी से. Nice, nice. So Rajiv is also from Hyderabad. Nice, man. चलो, so now we are going to start the Menti quiz. अभी आपको स्क्रीन के ऊपर दिखाएगा. क्या दिखाएगा स्क्रीन के ऊपर? It's going to show you the code on the screen. So the code for today is 3877777. आज का कोड बहुत आसान है. 3877777. So just go to www.menti.com, menti.com and type the code. वहाँ पे एक बॉक्स आएगा जिसमें आपको कोड टाइप करना है, and the code which you are going to type is 3877777. Go to menti.com and type the code 38777. So we have 9 people here. I want more people. और भी कोई आने वाला है तो जल्दी से ज्वाइन करो. We are going to take this quiz now. Is there anyone else who is coming? Go on यार, call your friends. उनको बताओ कि हमारा Menti quiz में कितना फन होता है, कितना मजा आता है ना Menti quiz करने में. So go on, call your friends. Yes. Yeah, so we have 11 people. We will wait for like a couple of more minutes and I'm going to start the quiz then. People. Yes, can we make it 15 please? If we can get 3 more people, it will become 15. Let's see if you can get 3 more people for me. अगर आप 3 लोग और लाओगे तो we will have 15 people. And meantime, at the meantime, go and like this video. अभी जो मैं वीडियो ले रहा हूँ, go and like this video and subscribe to the channel. I want to see अभी जितने लोग live है, I want to see all of you liking this video because we had a lot of fun today. We did a lot of experiments. ठीक है? Okay, so we have 13 people, and if you have liked the video, I'm going to start it. Should I start the Menti quiz? Just type in yes, and I will start the Menti quiz. Rajiv ka naam is Akhilesh Pal. Akhilesh Pal is also from Hyderabad. Nice to know that, Akhilesh. Neerja is saying there is some background music. Yes, that is menti.com ka music, and it's just coming from the background. Do you want me to mute it? I can mute that as well. If you want, I can mute it. Wow, we have 18 people now, and I have reduced the background noise from the menti.com. I don't know if you can still hear it, but अभी काफी कम कर दिया मैंने. And I have reduced the background noise from the menti.com. I don't know if you can still hear it, but अभी काफी कम कर दिया मैंने. And I have reduced the background noise from the. ठीक है, तो should I start the quiz now? We have 19 people. That is very great. So let me start the Menti quiz. 3, 2, 1 and आप रूम में enter हो गए, and you have to give all the answers to get maximum points. So first one is fill in the blanks. Which materials are attracted to the materials which are attracted towards magnets are called? हम क्या बुलाते हैं ऐसे materials को? Type in the answer. What are the materials called which are attracted towards magnets? Anupam is asking motion and measurement kahan pe? I will take the motion and measurement class as well, but today I wanted to take this one, so we did this. Motion and measurement is a very small chapter, so it's going to be fine. So time's up, and let's see what did you people answer. So the correct answer is magnetic. I had already written the material. तो ये जिसने आंसर दिया है ना magnetic material, you should not have written material over there, but magnetic is the correct answer. Some people have written wrong spelling. So see, when you are writing an exam, you have to always use proper and correct spellings. So आज just because of spelling, some of you might not get marks because इसमें answer जो दिया होता है वही होता है. So let's see the leaderboard now. So first we have nice. So all the people are first. Nice. सबको 1000 points आए हैं. On the top, Dibamalia, Mahpreet, Yuvraj, Mayan, Kritjot. Oh, so Kritjot and Mahpreet, both of you came today. Nice. Galaxy, Suga, Bhavya, and Isha. All of you are at the top right now. You all got 1000 points. So let's have a look at the next question. What are the sides of the magnets called? Magnet का जो side होता है उसको हम क्या बुलाते हैं? Type the answer please. Type fast. थोड़ा जल्दी टाइप करो. बहुत आसान आंसर है इसका. 3, 2, 1 and the time is up. It's called poles. North and south is the wrong answer. Poles is the correct answer. हम sides को क्या बोलते हैं? They are called poles. जैसा बैटरी का या सेल का टर्मिनल होता है, similarly इसका poles होता है. Let's have a look at the leaderboard. Nice, very nice. So on the top we have Debamalia, then second is Mahpreet, and third one is Yuvraj. And Mahpreet is apparently a fan of Navabita ma'am. Even I am a fan of Navabita ma'am. I love the way she teaches. And Yuvraj Singh is there, and Suga is on the 4th number. So let's check the next question. A magnet always has how many poles? You have to type the number of poles. कितने poles होते हैं? The magnets have how many poles? 2 poles. Yes. North and south नहीं भाई. कितने होते हैं पूछा है मैंने. कौन से होते हैं नहीं पूछा. So 2 is the correct answer. अगर आपने TWO लिखा हो या just the number 2, that does not matter. You will get equal points. So let's have a look at the leaderboard for this question. This time Isha got 1000 points. Yuvraj, oh, all of you got 1000 points. Nice. That is very nice. I love it when all the students get good points, because that means all of you were paying attention in class. Next question. Yeah, Rishu Jaiswal is saying spelling mistake. See, spelling mistakes are very, very important. You have to learn the spellings. So the 2 poles of magnets are called. This is the time when you have to answer what you have been answering before. Positive and negative, north and south, attraction and repulsion, red and blue. क्या होता है? Yes, north and south is the correct answer. Positive and negative is there in cell. Cell में होता है positive and negative. In magnets, it is always north and south. That is because Earth की तरफ वो direction देता है. Earth has a north and south, right? Earth is also a magnet. Just remember it like that. Let's have a look at the leaderboard. See, if you answer faster ना, अगर आप जितना जल्दी आंसर देंगे आपको उतना ज्यादा पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे. See, all these people gave correct answers, but some of them, like Debamalia, gave the answer first, so she got more points. तो आप आंसर जल्दी देने का भी ट्राई करो. ठीक है? So first we have Debamalia, second is Suga, and third one is Yuvraj Singh. You are the best. Yuvraj Singh is also nice. Cool. Artificial magnets were discovered in Greece. ये true or false है. आपको बोलना है artificial magnets Greece में discover हुए थे या नहीं. True or false? जल्दी बताओ मुझे. Is it Correct or not? Artificial magnets were discovered in Greece. Time's up. Yes, they were discovered in Greece. I told you that Magnus was from Greece. He was a Greek person and he used to take his sheep around for grazing in Greece. And in Greece there is a place called Magnesia where it was discovered. So yes, this was discovered in Greece. Let's have a look at the leaderboard. Nice, Deva Malia is first again. Yuvraj came second this time. Nice, Suga moved on to the third position and Galaxy climbed up and became the fourth champion. Let's move on to the next question. Similar poles of magnets repel each other. Is this true or false? अभी हम true and false का round कर रहे हैं. Similar poles of magnets, do they repel each other? Socho, do they repel? If they repel or not? Time's up. Let's see. Yes, 20 amongst you said true. Yep. Similar poles of a magnet repel each other. नहीं भाई, सबने गलत बोला है. Similar poles of magnets attract each other. Opposite जो poles होते हैं ना, north and south, they attract each other. Wait, I'll just show you the slide once. See, have a look at this. So यहाँ पे एक मैंने गलती कर दी है. It should have been true. So आप लोग का points कम हो गया यार. I'm very very sorry. There was a small mistake from my side. So we'll go to the next question. Yeah, the answer is like wrong in the Menti. I will change it later, so you'll get points. I guess. We'll just skip the leaderboard this time. The next question here is: maximum iron fillings stick in the middle of a bar magnet when it is brought near them. Is this true or false? Bar magnet में middle में ज़्यादा iron fillings आते हैं क्या? सोचो थोड़ा. 3, 2, 1, stop. False. Maximum number of iron fillings come on the side. Side में सबसे ज़्यादा iron fillings आते हैं. You have to remember that. ये साइड में आयरन फिलिंग्स सबसे ज्यादा आते हैं. ओके, सेंटर में नहीं. द पोल्स हैव मोर मैग्नेटिज्म इन देम. वहां पे यानी मोर अट्रैक्ट वहां पे होते हैं सारे आयरन फिलिंग्स. कूल. सो लेट्स हैव द लुक एट द लीडर बोर्ड. Nice, Mahpreet and Kritjot and Isha have climbed up again. Yuvraj Singh is on the top right now and Deva Malia came second. Let's look at the next question. A bar magnet always points towards north-south direction. Is that correct? There is some problem with the Menti. I think I have made some mistake over here. This should have been true. Okay, there is some slight problem. Let me see if I can rectify the problem real soon. Just let me see it once. If I can rectify this problem. Yeah, this should have been true, not false. And the similar poles of this should have been true, not false. Okay, I'm changing it so you guys are going to get the results. Just give me one moment. ठीक है. Might have to join again. So the mentee is back people and I have changed it. So आपका points अभी बढ़ गया है. जो आपको पहले already the problems which you faced earlier, there are no more. So let us see. Next question. Are magnets always points towards north-south direction? That is true. Okay. So all of you got the proper points. I changed it. ठीक है? I changed the answer, so you don't have to worry. I changed the answers. तो आपको पहले अगर कम आया था, now you have the points have been added to you. तो आपको अगर पहले points कम आए थे, so now you can see the points they have been added, so you don't have to worry. I need not start the mentee again, क्योंकि points आपको मिल जाएंगे उसके. ठीक है? Let me switch. We'll have to look at the next question now. Compass can be used to find east-west direction at any place. Can it be found? Can east and west be found using a compass? मुझे बताओ, can east and west be found using a compass? Yes or no? Yes, you can use a compass to find any direction. You can find east, you can find west, you can find north, you can find south. See, the compass, it has north. The needle points at the north, but by looking at the needle, you can find all the direction. You can find east, you can find west, you can find south, and you can find north. Okay? Using a compass, you can see the compass has all kinds of marks on that. So you can find any kind of direction, north, south, east, west, everything you can find using a compass. So the answer here would be true. Yes, you can find east and west direction at any place using a compass. So let's have a look at the leaderboard now. So Suga, Kritjot, nice. So Suga is on the top. Mahpreet is second now and Kritjot is third. Just tell me one thing, is Meh and Krit the joint account of Mahpreet and like his brother Kritjot, because आप लोगों ने double account बना लिया है. ठीक है, but that's there. So Devamalia came down a lot this time, but let's see. अभी हमारा mentee quiz is towards the end. अभी हमारा mentee quiz खत्म होने वाला है बस. So dash is an ore of iron. We talked about this. This is the last question. What is an ore of iron? Iron ore का हमने नाम पढ़ा था एक. Type the name of the iron ore and please use the proper and correct spelling. क्योंकि अगर आप correct spelling use नहीं करोगे तो you won't get points. Okay? So this was the ore which was discovered by Magnus in Magnesia. जो पत्थर ने अट्रैक्ट किया था उसके स्टिक को, that is called, उसका नाम क्या था? Just tell me what was it called and we will see if you remember the name. That was the ore of iron. Time's up. Let's see. Not magnet, magnetite is the correct answer. So magnetite is the correct answer. Magnet is wrong. I don't know तो यार ऐसे नहीं होता. Hematite किसने लिख दिया? Manganese is an element. Manganese नहीं है. Manganese is not an ore of iron. So let's see the leaderboard at this time. So Herschel or Devamalia are the only ones who got the full marks this time. किसी और को नहीं मिला. So Devamalia is again on the top. And congratulations Devamalia, you are the topper for today's mentee. You came first. And there are a lot of other people who came in the top 10. That is Suga, Mahpreet, Kritjot, and नाम मुझे सारे नहीं दिख रहे. अनुराग, ईशा, आस्किन, मन्नत, ये सारे लोग top 10 में आए हैं last question के. And today's topper is Devamalia. Congratulations Devamalia. It was nice, you know. You did it very well and you got 7,812 29 points. So thank you everyone. Thanks for attending this class, and I will remind you to please go and subscribe to Unacademy's channel and go and like this particular video, because if you like this video, please go and like the video and subscribe to the channel. And apart from this, Unacademy has started a new channel for chess. अभी chess के लिए हमने एक नया channel बनाया है, in which there are the very good grandmasters and champions of chess are going to teach you how to play chess. Okay, so the link of that will be in the description as well. So go and subscribe that channel and learn how to play chess like a pro. So that's all for today. Let's see you tomorrow at the same time. I am Mohammad Al Khalid and I am your physics teacher. That's all for today. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye everyone. Bye.